Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are going to learn about HSBC Bank credit card login. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After you have opened web browser, it can be any web browser. On the top there is a search bar. So you just have to go to the search bar and write HSBC Bank. And when you have typed that successfully, just click on the enter. After that, it will show the HSBC Bank official website. This is the first web search result, and in the first web search result there is a log on to online banking. So you just have to click on log on to online banking. After that, this page will be shown where you have to enter your username. After that, you have to enter your password and you can log in successfully. Most people get confused about their credit card account and their online banking account. Both are the same, so you don't get confused in this section. So when you have successfully logged in into your online banking account, you can also do anything about the credit card as well. You can activate it, you can apply for it, and you can do anything related with the credit card. When you have logged in, there is a section of credit card. You just have to go to the section of credit card and do anything that you want. So this is how you can easily log in into the HSBC Bank credit card account. So if this video was useful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.